Hugues Joublin, How to Use Your Social Media AD Budget. If you're like most businesses, you're always looking for ways to save money and get the biggest bang for your buck. Well, social media advertising is a great way to do just that. In this blog post, we'll discuss Hugues Joublin's stance on how to make the most out of your social media ad budget. Keep reading to learn more. Hugues Joublin's tips to use your social media AD budget effectively. Here are a few tips to help you make the most out of your social media ad budget. 1. Know your objective. Before you start spending money on social media ads, it's important to know what your objectives are. What do you want to achieve with your ad campaign? Are you looking to increase brand awareness? Drive traffic to your website? Generate leads? Once you know what your objectives are, you can create ads that are specifically designed to achieve those goals. 2. Target your audience. Another important tip to keep in mind is to target your ads to your specific audience. Don't try to reach everyone with your ad campaigns. Instead, focus on those who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. You can target your ads based on factors like age, location, gender, interests, and more. The more targeted your ads are, the more effective they'll be. 3. Test, test, test. When it comes to social media advertising, testing is essential. You need to test different ad formats, images, headlines, and call to actions to see what works best. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different things and see what performs well. Over time, you'll develop a good understanding of what works and what doesn't. 4. Use tracking links. If you want to know whether or not your social media ads are working, you need to use tracking links. Tracking links allow you to see how many people are clicking on your ads and where they're coming from. This information is invaluable when it comes to optimizing your ad campaigns. 5. Keep your ads fresh. Finally, don't forget to keep your ads fresh. Social media users get tired of seeing the same ads over and over again. If you want your ads to be effective, you need to keep them fresh and relevant. Conclusion. So, what's the best way to make the most of your social media ad budget? Hugues Joublin makes things simple. The answer depends on your goals. If you want to increase brand awareness, then investing in boosted posts or ads targeting a wide audience may be the best strategy. However, if you're looking for leads or conversions, then targeted advertising and landing pages are key. No matter what your goal is, always test and measure how different strategies are performing so that you can continually improve your return on investment. What have been your experiences with social media advertising? Do you have any tips to share? Share them in the comments. Thanks for watching.